if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hi Photos photographers. Today we are talking about what makes a good photography exhibition for, say, a single user's entry into the exhibition. 3 quick tips on what those ideas would be is keep it into one topic. The next would be keep it all in one mode. Sometimes these parameters are already set by the exhibition, but if you find yourself invited to be displayed for a certain amount of time in an exhibit hall, keep yourself with some basic rules in mind, and one of those would be modes. As an illustration, let's say that's flowers for a topic. Then stick to flowers, but keep it in the same mode, all color or all black and white. Your lighting style, that's going to be important too, that it doesn't change, because then it's going to change the feel, even though somebody doesn't necessarily, no discerning viewer of your exhibition would see how your lighting changed. They would just notice the change, and it would affect what they're seeing because of the lighting change. 2 quick additions into this thought and this discussion. So those 2 quick additions are expansion of your topic and your images. Don't feel like it's limiting your options. Just expand the universe for the topic you're shooting. Don't lock yourself in because the topic seems too small. Allow yourself the challenge to expand the topic. Maybe that's expanding because of time. Flowers didn't expand in topic, but you just expanded it by opening up the timeline. That is a huge option of just being creative within that niche. The number of photos that you should submit may be capped by the organization that's putting on the exhibition. Otherwise, if they don't tell you how many you can submit up to a certain number, I suggest you submit at least 10 photographs, at least. If you have a wider selection, then do your best to shoot and submit much more, 30 or something images. These are going to change and vary by the placement where your exhibition is being held, the city or location, and where your country, within your country area or your region. But that, if it's not limited, then give a fairly wide selection within that qualification we've given of a single topic and your single mode and your style of lighting. So the quick recap is 1 topic, 1 mode, and 1 lighting style. Those 3 things are going to help you create a good exhibition for your photographs, and it's going to help somebody that really likes your style to narrow in, and they'll start looking for your name because they may want or have some purpose in mind for wanting to look at your photography, your style, your lighting, and everything involved in that. And they may actually approach you if your name is searchable and your information is available to commission your work in some way for some purpose for them. So we hope this content in this video has added value to your photography. And if it has, we would like your subscription if you are not already a subscriber. We would also appreciate a like on this video. But if there's anything that we didn't cover that you were hoping to hear in this video, leave us a note and we can add that content in our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.